What's going on, guys?
It is nasty out.
Guys, it is nasty out, but I've been watching the surf cam and you can see there's occasionally some nice rights coming through. This left side. Some action. There's a chance for the wind to go offshore right before sunset. So I think we have enough reason to send it. All right, just gonna come into the board cave. This garage is a mess. I need this guy. And I do need a little bit of lunch before I go. I'm gonna go for a little PB, J, and some dates.
That will cost you a win. Out of moving through, Messi's opened up. Immediately closed down by holding that gets it.
All right, about to see what kind of surf we got. A little chop suey. Yeah, a bit of a chop suey here, guys. Surf is choppy, there's no denying that, but compared to what I ride in Georgia, really not that bad. Part of me is considering just going out here solo. All right, we're gonna go for it. Time to get this guy on. I'm going out on a solo session, so yeah, we are gonna switch to GoPro now. We just got done. I bodyboarded until dark, which was super fun. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace, guys.